Hi, this is how you use the built-in power capabilities of the JBL Xtreme 5 to charge another USB device like a phone. Please note here that the Xtreme 5 is not capable of charging higher power devices like, for example, a laptop. However, topping up your phone works perfectly fine. All we need for this to work is a phone that needs some juice and a USB cord that on one end fits the phone we are charging and on the other end has got a USB-C port for connecting to the Xtreme 5 speaker. We then turn the speaker on and take a look at the back where we can find the USB-C port normally used for charging the speaker itself. In this case though, we want to use it in reverse to charge our phone. The process is however just the same as when charging the speaker normally. Plug one end of the cable into the USB-C port on the back of the Xtreme 5 and the other end of the cable into the charging port on our phone. And that is actually that. Bear in mind though that charging the phone from the speaker like this will deplete the speaker's battery quicker than when just playing music. Also note that when the speaker's battery percentage drops to 15 or below, the power bank capabilities will, for some odd reason, be turned off until the speaker battery has been charged back up to 16% or more. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.